Today we're going to make some macaroni and cheese. What I'm going to do is go ahead and boil some noodles, because you know you gotta have noodles. Hope everybody's doing okay today. Hope y'all have an amazing day. Alright, let's get the water boiling, guys. Now always turn on the wrong one. Here are my noodles. I like to use this brand when I can. Alright, so as soon as that water starts boiling, we'll add those noodles, and I'm going to just add some salt to my water, guys. Let's see, what else can we do? I've got to cut up some cheese. And of course, so we can do that while we're waiting for our noodles to boil. I hope y'all having a great day. Beautiful sunny day here in the Carolinas. I'm trying out this new SJ cam, if y'all, and I'm praying that it's capturing everything that I'm doing. This is the first time, so we'll see how it goes. Like right now, I don't know if y'all can see that cheese. Looks like you can, so let's go ahead and cut up this. This is the sharp cheddar cheese. Decided to do a block. And I don't want this video to be extremely long, but I figure I'll go ahead and let you all see how I do the mac and cheese while I'm testing the camera. So it's your girl Keitha T coming to you live with another cooking video. If y'all have been enjoying the content and you want to be a part of the family, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video. Show some love. Drop a comment below. Now this is how I make my mac and cheese, guys. Everybody makes theirs a little differently, and it's going to be your preference. If you all have been watching, you know that I really don't do too much with the dairy. So we're gonna see how it goes. So yeah, how's everybody doing? You know, I should have done this live. That way I could talk to everybody. I need cayenne pepper.
You shouldn't be prepping yourself before the video.
I should have prepped, but I didn't think I needed to. So anyway, y'all, just keep stirring. I don't feel like this is mixing like I want it to. You don't see it? He found, but that's not what I need you for. I need you to get that black fish string. And I hope that's the last time I got a bottle. So that's my secret weapon. Thank you. So that's my secret weapon, guys. I like to put a little cayenne pepper. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more mixture. Not too much. You don't want the tummy to hurt. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding my cheese, y'all. We got some Toby Jack. Now I'm going to get rid of this. Put that in there first. We got some mild cheddar. Yeah, I just realized how Hubby came in here twice and he didn't say hi to y'all. You just want to get a sauce. That's all we're doing is we're making a nice cheese sauce. Can't forget the butter, y'all. Not too much of that. For me. You can add more. I'm going with some mozzarella. Yeah, I like a lot of black pepper, so that's what I'm doing. Add more black. Oh, that looks good. So now what we need to do is that black dish that my husband just got for us. I'm gonna wipe that down real quick. And then guys, we're gonna butter that bacon dish. I feel like I got a mess going on here. Hey, if you're on the live, thank you for joining. I appreciate you joining the live today. Right now, we're making the mac and cheese. So, y'all, I greased the dish. You see that butter in there. And now I'm just going to pour these noodles in. Ooh, hot. Okay, we're going to put the noodles in there. Now, let's add that cheese sauce, y'all. Look at that. Keep stirring. Mix it all up nice and well. Okay, that's it. I'm going to put some more in here later. All right, y'all. Gotta add the eggs. I know how I like to do. I'm going to crack these eggs separately, okay? Before I drop them in there. Egg number one going in. And I just give it a good mixing. Right in the dish, y'all. Okay, that's egg number one. Let's do egg number two. So I mix everything right here in this dish. You all see that? Now we're just going to go ahead and add the rest of this cheese in, y'all. One thing about my husband, He wants a lot of cheese. So that's what we're going to give him. A lot of cheese. I hope y'all enjoying the video. For those of you that are watching, let me know, what do you do? What do you do that's different from what I've done so far? Cameraman, I hope you're getting all this. I'm using a new camera, guys, so I don't know what to expect. Trying her out. Well, might as well use all of it. All right, y'all, that's the mac and cheese mix. Let's see what else we got. I don't know if you all can see her. That's what she's looking like. That's what she's looking like. Okay. We are going to cook oven. I don't know. Start off at 30 minutes, I guess. I don't usually keep track, so we'll see. So let's put this in the oven, guys.